DJI is set to launch its new Lito series on April 23, 2026, marking its first consumer drone release of the year. The company has officially confirmed the launch via teasers, with the event scheduled for 2000 hours China time, 12 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time. Unlike a typical upgrade, the Lito lineup appears to introduce a completely new category in DJI's drone portfolio. The series is expected to include two models, the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. The Lito X1 is likely positioned as a successor to the Mini 5 Pro, aimed at users who want better imaging and smarter features. Meanwhile, the Lito 1 is expected to replace older entry-level models like the Mini 4K and Mini 3, focusing on affordability and ease of use. Leaked pricing suggests aggressive positioning across markets. The Lito 1 is expected to start at €339, around $370 to $400, while its Fly More combo could cost €479, $520, $560. The more advanced Lito X1 may begin at €419, $450, $500, going up to €759, $800, $900 for the Fly More Combo Plus bundle with the RC2 controller. This places the series neatly between budget drones and more premium compact options. Connectivity is expected to be a major highlight. The Lito series may feature DJI's next-generation O5 transmission system with a range of over 20 kilometers. There are also reports of possible 5G cellular support using software-defined radio technology, which could improve signal performance in crowded environments. Safety features could see a big upgrade as well. Both models are rumored to include 360-degree obstacle avoidance using a combination of fisheye cameras, infrared sensors, and LiDAR-like technology with detection up to 10 meters. This setup is designed to improve collision detection in all directions. DJI is also expected to introduce smarter controls. Features like voice commands and gesture-based operation may allow for a more hand-free flying experience, making the drones easier to use for beginners. In terms of design, both drones are expected to weigh under 249 grams and feature foldable bodies with 3-axis gimbals. The Lito may first offer around 22 gigabytes of storage and up to 30 minutes of flight time, while the Lito X1 could include 42 gigabytes of storage and more advanced sensing capabilities. Some key details, including camera specifications and video capabilities, are still unknown and will be revealed at launch. The Lito series could reshape DJI's entry-level lineup, potentially replacing older models while offering a better balance of features and price. DJI has also teased another product launching on April 28, likely a new wireless microphone system, adding to a busy month for the company.